I'm left behind.
Hi all, today I'm going to reveal my new Hermes that just came last night from my personal shopper. So obviously I already unboxed them and they come with all these ribbon and boxes and the usual. So let's just get into it. I got myself a new Hermes Oran sandals in white. Look how pretty they are. They are in box calf leather with contrast stitching. I hope the camera can pick it up. I love them. They are so pretty. So this video is also an update on my Hermes Oran sizing. This gold one I got last month and I did unboxing here, and I said I will update on the sizing. I have wide feet, so I went a size up on my Oran sandals and I'm pretty happy with them because my feet don't hurt anymore as when I wear my usual size before I went a size up. Usually my feet got hurt on this part where the sandals get narrower, but now they don't. Everybody's feet is different. If you have wide feet like me, maybe you should consider go a size up or half size up. I still strongly advise you to try them on first, because if you have the luxury to try them on, just do it. I don't, because I don't live near any Hermes boutique here. So in the past I got the wrong size few times and I cannot do anything about it. Now I went a size up and I'm pretty happy with them. Honestly, these Oran sandals are not meant for hours of walking. I only last in them up to 3 hours walking, but for me they are such statement piece and I love them, and they are worth every cent because cost per wear. I wear them a lot after I got them, so that's not a problem for me. I think that's all for my review today, guys. Thank you so much for your time and hope to see you again soon. Bye guys.
Are we in the same boat?